In this video, I will show you how to make a flipbook in Canva. First, open the Canva app on your device or open its official website. Click on Create a Design from your top right corner. But before that, go to the Apps section and here you will find different apps for flipbooks. Let us click on this one. Create flipbooks or slideshows for your design. Here you can choose to add it on an existing design or you can add it to a new design. Then you will be asked to add the dimensions of your design. Now go ahead and edit your flipbook. You can also choose and add templates. Click on the flipbook template you'd like to start editing it. Each page of the flipbook template can be customized. You can add text, images, shapes, or even upload your content. Be creative and design each page according to your theme or story. Arrange the pages in the order you want them to appear in your flipbook. Canva makes it easy to arrange pages by dragging and dropping them into place. Once you have finished designing your flipbook, preview it to make sure everything looks the way you want. After previewing, you can download your flipbook as a PDF or image file.